I'm not gonna lie, today's looking nice, you know? Today's looking nice. The sun's outside. Sun's out. No buns out, but the sun's out, you know what I mean? I think it's a great day to build a PC. Shoot. Like, I really do think it's a great day to build a PC. So let's go ahead. Let's just get into it. Whoa. Yeah, it's mad dark in here. Not gonna hold you. Hold on, let me get some light going real quick. It's looking real nice outside, actually. Tried to show y'all what it looked like outside, but it's too bright, so let's see. Yeah, nah, I don't know. Like a great day. Matter of fact, let's actually go outside to, you know what I'm saying? See what you know what I'm saying? Let me put the Crocs on real quick. You know what I'm saying? We're not going in sport mode though. Gotta put the Crocs on, but let's go outside real quick though. But yeah, y'all, it's not it's not looking too bad out here. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jellio back with another video, and today I'm gonna be building a gaming PC. Like, bro, I'm so excited to build this because I've been wanting one for a while now. I got it. Well, I don't got it. Well, I got all the parts for it. I'm gonna show you all the parts in a second or in a minute. I'm just so excited.
Why the hell you look so damn happy?
God. Building a PC. So like, this is all the parts. Do not mind that, you know, just ignore that. But this is everything right here. That's my old slides. Just disregard that. But another thing, yeah, I got an Alex drawer. Yeah. And I just wanted to put it, all right. I know y'all see the desk right now. Like, it's literally like I know y'all see it, but don't even worry about that. That's what that's for. Once that gets set up, everything's finna fall into place. But the plan is to like move all of this right just a little bit to the left, and then the Alex drawer finna sit boom like right there. I hope the lighting's good. I got my ceiling light on so I could see better. But you know what I'm saying, I got the window open, you know what I'm saying? It is so bright. I don't know why it's like, yeah. I'm gonna get better with the settings and stuff on the camera. Just give me some time. But yeah, so right now I'm about to build the Alex drawer first. Yeah, so that's what we finna do. Alright, y'all, so everything is set. The Alex drawer is built. Everything is, you know what I'm saying? It's time to build a PC now. Now I'm about to get into everything that I bought for the PC. This is the back of the front. Can y'all even see? Is it too wide? Alright, well, hopefully y'all can see. This is, don't mind that it's dirty. This is the NZXT 5 Flow case. Yeah, shout out to my homeboy Kai for putting me on to this. He put me on at everything, all the parts that I got. So shout out to Kai. Probably gonna call him in a little bit to get some help because I have no idea what I'm doing. So yeah. Fucks, I mean. So yeah, y'all, I've come to a realization that the camera angle that I had y'all in was not gonna work at all. So we're gonna have to be maneuvering around a lot. So next we're about to get into all the other parts. All right, so this is the SSD card. No, this is the hard drive. Is it? I don't really much know, bro. It's the SSD. It's the SSD, bro. I got the Corsair RAM sticks. I got 32 gigs in total, 16 divided into, you know, both of them. Next is the CPU. This is the Ryzen 550, Ryzen 5000. We're just gonna disregard that. I have the, what is this? The Cool Master Fan MF120 Halo. These are the RGB fans that I got. Now, when they delivered it, it looked like someone bit into the box, but I was pissed off. But I checked the case. I mean, checked inside. Everything was there. Everything was intact. So I really wasn't pissed off too much about it. But it's just the box. So yeah. And I got the power source. This is the Gamdias Kratos. I don't know. This is the Kratos. Shout out to God of War. This is M1 750 watts RGB. This is the power source right here. This, I don't remember how much I paid for it. I'm gonna put it on the screen after. I'm gonna put the correct things on the screen after I yeah. This is the keyboard and mouse that I got. I got a bundle because I didn't have a mouse or a keyboard, and I wanted it to be RGB. Hopefully y'all can see that at the wide angle. I wanted it to be RGB, and yeah, this is the KW68 2.4 wireless color changing gaming keyboard and mouse set. Pretty sure the name is somewhat Schner. I don't know the S word right there. Hopefully y'all can see that because I don't know how to pronounce that, but shout out to my Asian dude. And then next, the motherboard. I most definitely have the B550 AMD motherboard, gaming Gen 3. The next thing, and the last but not least, I got the 3060 RTX GeForce thingy GPU. So now we're gonna actually go ahead and get into actually building it. So yes sir, stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and switch around the camera setup so y'all can actually see what I'm doing. But yeah, stay tuned. Yo, bro.
Yo, what's going on, gang?
Bro, it's time, bro. It's literally time.
It was time about 2 weeks ago. You got the cabinet, bro?
Yeah, bro, it's already built. Bro, it's a cabinet. You mean drawer? Bro, you're on camera, bro, so you know what I'm saying? You already...
Yeah.
My guy Kai, you know what I mean? But yeah, y'all, so unfortunately I have about 30 minutes left of footage to capture. I need a new SD card, but so I'm gonna just try to catch everything important. I'm gonna catch on when we making progress though, so yeah, it's just gonna be yeah, let's go ahead and eat.
Like grab that.
Oh, yeah, clamp thing.
Yeah. Just kind of just double off. Got that whole sidebar thing connected to the panel. It's supposed to.
Oh, okay, here we go.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
You're gonna lay it flat, the computer.
Yeah.
Just the one that you were looking at before. The ones across on it. Type job.
Got all these screws, add screws here, y'all. So what's in this box? What is this? What is the fan? Like
CPU, yeah, you gonna need that later.
later, so just leave it in there for now.
You're gonna need that after you put the other stuff. Now look at the little triangle on it. There's like a little triangle on the CPU.
Right here.
Other side.
Other side.
At the bottom.
Pointing at it, bro.
I'll turn it around, that's what I mean. Cause that's the bottom. No, turn the whole, flip it upside. Yeah, there you go.
Oh,
That's
okay.
the triangle, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you straight.
I think it's dropped in now. Right back. Here's the RAM. Oh, okay.
And then don't be scared to get a little forceful with it when you put it in. Push it down, yeah.
Oh, man. Sorry,
Yeah, the bottom.
Okay, I'm assuming it's this one, bro. Nah, bro. Yeah, So what's good, y'all? Back again, you know what I'm saying? It is currently 4:44 a.m. Started building this PC probably around like 7 o'clock p.m. Yeah, I almost lost a finger in the process. But hey, you know, we got it done, you know what I'm saying? For sure. So, you know what I'm saying? Don't mind the cord and whatnot. Camera was charging, bro. I had to get juiced up for real. The bed. Yeah, we just not even gonna, but yeah, don't even. But yeah, so like, here it is. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, right now we on a P5 screen. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, we about to switch it over. Hold on, first and foremost, let's. Hold on, look, nah, we gotta turn off the lights first, y'all, cause it's finna get real, yo. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Let's turn on the button. Oh my god. You know what I'm saying, yo? We got the PC up and running. Yeah, bro, the PC is up and running. We got the GPU in there, all that. Hold on. Well, I'm not gonna show the screen because I gotta do all the updates and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that afterwards. But the PC is up and running. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boys. It feels good knowing that the PC is up and running. If you hear the clinking, that's the tripod. I was so excited I didn't have time to take it off. But yeah, PC is up and running, yo. Like, I gotta give it a name. I don't know the name yet, but I'm gonna let y'all know the name by the time I upload this video. It's probably gonna be in the title or the description. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Currently 4:46 a.m. I work today. Great. Shout out to the homie Kai, bro. Most definitely got me right. Yo, Kai, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Shout out to the homie Kai, bro. If you need him, yeah, I'm finna put his link down in the description. Bro, finna charge. But shout out to the homie Kai, though. Bro really got me right for real. Bro was here the entire time as I was struggling. Putting in the GPU, couldn't find which cables to plug into where, all of that. Yeah, but yeah, it's about that time of night. Yeah, it's really late. I'm finna go ahead and clean all of this up. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all some more. I'm probably finna get some more cinematic shots if I can. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend, a brother, a uncle, you know what I'm saying, anybody, you know what I'm saying, your dog, you know what I'm saying, your next door neighbor, you know what I'm saying, just share it to anybody, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, gonna catch you on the next video. Peace out, it's your boy Jelly, yeah.